Beards, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys doing well. So today, as you can see, I'm already ready to go. I'm gonna review the First Manufacturing Raider jacket. Before I decided to get this jacket, I was looking at it like probably about 9 months, and this time I pulled the trigger about 1 month ago, and I can only say good things about it, and we'll get to this into the video in a moment. Just to be clear, I'm not sponsored by this brand. I'm doing this out of my free will and out of my good heart, because I always like to share if there's something good out there to help my fellow riders. Enough with the talking, let's get to it. So for the people who didn't check out my previous review on the First Manufacturing Kent leather vest, make sure to check it out and let's get going. So as you can see, let's start with the obvious things. So everything is feels really good, amazing touch, feels high quality. So let's open it up. So they have buttons here and zipper behind it. It will give you definitely wind protection. All right, let's open it up. So inside it comes with a inliner, so this is good for cold time. You can definitely zip it out as well on the other side here. Not gonna do it right now because it's really a pain in the neck to get it back in. So let's get see it. So you have the obvious pockets. Wow, this has a lot of space in there. So I can fit 2 hands in there. That's amazing. So you have definitely again a lot of storage in this jacket. Let's check out the other side. Yep, same thing here. Alright, let's get to the outside. So on the outside we have the side pockets here. And let's check out the chest pockets. So on the chest pocket, as you can see, it's not only just a regular chest pocket, you can also zip it open. And what it will add is a lot of hidden space in storage. So apparently you can also carry a concealed gun in it. So there's enough storage for that. See. Yep. So there's amazingly a lot of space in there. So I have to admit, I've only ridden with this jacket maybe a few times, and when I rode, I actually didn't really use the pockets a lot at all, because I carry the backpack or also the saddlebags as well. So it's the same thing on this side as well. A lot of space. Check it out, look. All this space behind this is your storage. And then again, these little velcros here. So then above the chest pockets, there's also some zippers, and there's additional storage again. So about the size of a hand storage. Same on the other side. So I have to say that this jacket has a lot of space, and that's what it's about. So it's such a practical thing. So let's check out this. So you can actually stretch it out if you're a little bit on the thicker side, or you can tighten it down. Let's turn it on, guys. So as you can see, you have a little area here. This is for people who are a little bit wider, or when you sit on the bike, it gives you a little bit of space to stretch. You can open these vents in the back. They're actually for ventilation. They will let some good amount of air in. So overall, this feels all very high quality, like the other product from First Manufacturing I reviewed, and I can only honestly, I can't wait for it to get a little bit colder here in Southern California. As of now, I wouldn't be able to ride with a liner inside. At no chance, not even in the night, because it's gonna be way too hot. And currently, I probably could try to ride it without it and see how that feels, but I'm sure as of now, it's definitely not possible. The way it feels, I can only imagine how warm it will keep you. I have a different jacket from First Manufacturing. I don't have the name quite yet. That will put it in the screen. And this one has only basically the zipper is up front like this. There's no top layer. So on that one I can actually feel the wind coming in. So I think this one was a little game changer. It will definitely keep you really warm and snug. So this is so far everything about the jacket with all the storage in it, so that you can get an idea. I'll show you how it looks like on me, and let's check it out. Alright guys, I'm gonna show you now how the jacket is gonna look like when I wear it open and when I'm gonna close it. Alright, check it out. So just keep in mind I have the liner still in it, so it's gonna be really tight. Usually I wear this jacket without the liner, so check it out. I hope you like the jacket, and if you would like to know how much I paid for it, it was $279.99. For more information, please check out the link below. If you like the jacket or the video, please make sure to leave a like. Please share it with your friends and subscribe. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Until then, be safe out there.